Really quick session on what we're looking at for the day in the futures market. Open into quite a bit of turmoil and potentially some opportunity. We'll see what comes of this. So anyway, first things first, I'm a little bit late. I'm having trouble with my platform that I use to broadcast from here to internet land and also share the different monitors. So today's thing is going to look a little bit different because I had to end up going over to my Mac versus my trading PC for this. But the cool thing about it, and one thing to keep in mind, one of the reasons I love TradingView is because I can take whatever's on my PC and pull it up on my Mac. It's the exact same charts with the exact same indicators with the exact same layout, with seamless across the board. If I walked across the street to my neighbor's house and I logged into TradingView, even though he doesn't use it, boom, I'd have the exact information there as well. So super cool platform. Anyway, with that said, it's going to be a little more compressed because my MacBook is not the same size as my monitor, so we take the same information, but it's in a little more of a compressed area. But neither here nor there. Let's go ahead and get into it, see what's going on for the day and what trading opportunities we have. From a news perspective, it's a pretty light week. We don't really have anything that would require us to worry about being out of the marketplace. So, with that said, I thought I could make that bigger. Anyway, with that said, we can pretty much start watching what's happening here and trading according to our plan. So what is our plan? Well, like I mentioned this morning, there's been a big sell-off coming into the day here on the S&P anyway. But that creates opportunity for us as long as things stay where they are. What do I mean by staying where they are? Well, on the 4-hour time period here, we've got a long bias. And on the 30-minute time period, we've also got a long bias, at least for now. This closes a little bit lower. Our 30-minute bias will probably flip over on us. But for right now, we've still got a long bias in the 30-minute. So what does that mean to us? It means that we're going to watch to see if we get a break back above here. Excuse me. And we'll look for long trading opportunities. So right now, 30 minutes long, 4 hours long as well. So we're going to look for long trading opportunities as the new market gets moving here. So right now we've got lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We'd like to see this continue on. New market session begins here in about 5 minutes. So we'll be watching to see if price can break back above one of these previously closed lower highs and lower lows. And if it does, then we'll look to go long from there and see if we can't take a position that'll get us into some profit here. On crude, same thing. We've got a long bias, still 4 hours long, 30-minute is long. So we're looking for long trading opportunities. What that'll look like for us, again, is lower highs and lower lows. So we want to see a bit of a pullback, right? We want to get things at a discount. So we want to see a pullback, lower highs and lower lows, and then play a breakout of that previously closed lower high. Gold is a different story. Gold has flipped over on us. The 30-minute is short and the 4 hour is also short. So for gold, we're going to look for short trading opportunities. So that would look like a rally. We'd like to see gold push up, making higher lows and higher highs, and then turn back in the direction of that current market trend, breaking out to the short side. So not a whole lot really happening at this exact moment, but there certainly is opportunity for us out here in the marketplace today, and that opportunity comes in the form of trading the plan. Having a plan coming into the market and then executing that plan without getting antsy. If the S&P keeps falling, we never break back to the long side and we don't have a trade, right? If gold suddenly rallies, it doesn't break back to the short side, we don't have a trade. Don't force it. Don't try to put something in that's not actually occurring, right? So have a plan, execute that plan. We talked about what the BTX method looks like for a plan here. If you're looking just at straight break, well, let's not even get into it. I'm almost 4.5 minutes in right now anyway. So we'll leave it there. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But the big thing is just stick to your plan, trade what the market tells us to do, and roll from there. All right.